cooking channel. Today we're gonna steam some callaloo. It's a Jamaican product, and this is the product. So take a look at it. It's just like spinach. So let's get started on it. Okay guys, now we're gonna add our onions. And we're gonna add our bell pepper.
And this is about a half an onion, half a yellow bell pepper, and a half a green bell pepper. And we're just gonna saute these until they get good and translucent. Okay guys, we have let this bell pepper and onions get tender, and now we're just going to add our callaloo.
In other words, guys, in Jamaica we call it greens. So this is what our greens look like. And now guys, I'm going to just add a little seasoning to it. A little black pepper to your likeness. A little onion powder to your likeness. Now we're going to add a little garlic powder to your likeness. I would say a half a teaspoon. And now guys, this is our bacon. We're going to add our bacon to it. And guys, we're going to add just a little tip of salt to it. I'd say around a half a teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to stir it over, guys. Okay guys, this is what it looked like. The callaloo, it already came half cooked. The callaloo is a greens, and you strip it and then you cut it up. And yes guys, we're going to give this at least another 5 minutes. Let it just steam, and then we'll show you what it looked like. Okay guys, now that the green is finished, we're just going to dish it out and let you see it.
I'm ready.
Okay guys, this dish can be eaten with green boiled banana. It can be also eaten with bread, and it can eat with white rice. But we're going to eat this with liver, and we'll just show you how we cook the liver as well. Now that I'm going to dish it, I'm going to turn it over if my wife has anything to say.
Okay, thank you guys for watching Wright's Cooking Channel. This is our callaloo dished in a plate, and this is what we cooked. and it's very flavorful, very good. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Bye-bye.